The journey begins by accessing Google Labs, the experimental playground where cutting-edge features come to life. Open Google and navigate to labs.google.com on your Pixel phone. Once you've entered the labs, locate the SGE Generative AI in Search option. Toggle this feature on to activate the generative AI capabilities within the Google search engine. With the generative AI option activated, click or tap on the enticing Try an Example button. This step is the gateway to unleash the artistic potential of Google's AI. Upon clicking Try an Example, Google prompts you to provide an instruction. Let your creativity flow and write a directive, like draw a bird flying in the sky. This sets the stage for Google's AI to interpret and generate an image based on your input. Navigate to the top of the search page where you'll find the generative button next to the text. Get an AI-powered overview for the search. Click or tap on this button to kickstart the image generation process. Now exercise patience as Google's powerful generative AI engine works its magic. Within moments, you'll witness the mesmerizing results, a stunning image or a set of images that bring your instructions to life. In some instances, you might find Google's generative AI refusing to generate the desired image. Fret not. I have a solution. Click or tap on the Google profile icon, typically located in the top right corner of your screen on mobile devices. Navigate to Settings, tap on Language and Region option. Now look for Search Region and open it. Switch the region to the United States. Repeat the aforementioned steps and you should find the generative AI process working seamlessly.